fashion. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways that I like to style scarves as tops. I really love using scarves as tops because you can find them in a thrift store for really cheap. And it's just really fun to take one thing and wear it in multiple ways. And I think that's one of the cool things about sustainable fashion is learning how to make more out of what you already have and kind of changing that mindset of wanting to buy more. So this first top is super easy. You're gonna need a medium or large silk square scarf, and you're just gonna fold it diagonally in half and wrap it around your body, and then just tie the ends behind your back in a double knot. And that's basically it. Fair warning, this does slip down throughout the course of the day, so just be vigilant about it and use tape if you have to. I like to style it with a pendant necklace and some high-waisted pants. But it's a pretty versatile top. You can dress up or down, and it's just super cute. I got a lot of requests for a tutorial for this one shoulder top, so here it is. You'll need a large square silk scarf. I got this thrifted scarf for $5 and I'm super excited because it has all these cats on it. So you're gonna fold this one in half diagonally like the last one, but this time you're gonna take the 2 ends next to each other and tie that into a double knot. And make sure this is super secure because this is gonna be on top of your shoulder. And then you're gonna wanna put your head and an arm through it with the large side in front. I totally did this wrong the first time, so don't do this. Yes, do that. So you're gonna have the knot resting on one shoulder, and the other arm will go above the edge of the scarf. Then you're gonna wrap the tail around your back. And what I like to do to secure it is to stick that tail end over and then under the other scarfity part on your back. This will require some flexibility, so if you don't have that, you might want to enlist a partner or use a safety pin to just wrap it around yourself and then safety pin that tail end to the part of the scarf in front. I've done that as well. Both methods work, but I think this makes the back look really cute. And then you can just tuck the little tail of the knot under the part of the scarf. And that's it. I like to style this with high-waisted pants as well. And I think it just adds a really classy look to any outfit. I think it's also really cute with shorts for a more casual look. And I could see it working really well with a denim skirt. So this last top is a bandeau or a tube top. It's so easy that I'm kind of like, why did I even put it in there? But anyway, it works best with a long rectangular scarf. And all you're gonna do is wrap it around your torso and then tie the ends in a double knot behind your back. That's literally it. Yeah. You should definitely wear pasties with this or tape if you have it. Another thing you can do is if you actually own a bandeau top, you can tuck the top of the scarf into your bandeau, and that will keep it more secure. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!